Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 75 of solving daily problems on LeetCode, and this will be the last problem in this series. And after that we'll solve problems on LeetCode but not on regular basis, and we will post that those problems in a separate playlist. We will start a new playlist called the DSA sheet by Love Bubble, and we'll solve the problems present in that sheet one by one. We will solve around 2 to 3 problems a day on the topics which are most frequently asked in interviews also. So let us see today's question. It is to sort colors. Okay, it is a medium level question. Now let us read the question in order to understand it. The question says that given an array of numbers, okay, now these are the objects red, white, blue. We have to sort them in place so that the objects of same color are adjacent, means they come one after the other with the colors in order red, white, and blue. We use the integers 0, 1, 2 to represent the color red, white, and blue. So red represents our 0 index, 1 white, and 2 will be our blue. Now we have to sort the given array, so which is very easy. Now you must solve this problem without using any library's sort function. So as we all know that there is a built-in function in C++ which allows us to sort the algorithms, which is sort, and we can use that in order to sort our array. But it is mentioned here that we can't use any built-in function. So let us design our own sorting algorithm to sort this question. Okay, to sort the array given. So if given this is the array, my output will be this, all the red color first, then the white, and then blue color will appear. Okay. Now example 2 says 201 and its output is 012. So we have to sort our array. Zeros will come first, after that 1, and after that 2. Now it says that n is equals to num's length, and it will lie between 1 to 300. There will be only 3 values of nums I, means the elements in the array will be only 0, 1, and 2. So to solve this problem, we can use the algorithm counting sort also, but here we will try some different approach to solve this problem. So first what we will create, we'll create an unordered map in order to create a mapping of all the elements present in my list. Okay, so this unordered map, this map will create a mapping of all the values with their frequency, like how many times 0 occurs, how many times 1 occurs, and then how many times 2 occurs. Okay, let's say this is my array. So in this array, 0 occurs 2 times, 1 occurs 2 times, and after that 2 occurs 2 times. So now what will be my approach to solve this problem? Now what I will do, I will not initialize any other array. I will just modify the nums array, and initially I will insert all the zeros in it, then I will insert all 1, and at last I will insert all the 2, and here it will become my sorted array. Okay, so how can we get the sort from this? How can we get the frequency? So to get the frequency, what you can use, let's say my unordered map name is MP. So if we want the count of, if we want the count of all the zeros, let's say, okay, so if I want all the count of zeros, then simply this will be present at my MP 0 position. This will be holding or storing all the counts of my number. So this is how I will get the count, and then simply I will write a for loop. Inside that for loop, I will initialize nums I with 0. Okay, so we'll initialize the nums I with 0 initially at the first step, and then similarly we'll do for the 1 and for 2. Okay, so let us see the code to understand this more properly. So if we see the code here, so this is the code. Okay, so let us change this. Now here first what we have done, we have created the unordered map as I told you, and I have stored the frequency of every element present in my array. Now to get the count of 0, count of 1 and count of 2, what we have done is we have simply taken the value from my unordered map, which is storing the frequency for each element 0, 1 and 2. Now first I will run a for loop and initialize the number of zeros in my array. Then I will start from that particular index at which we have end our previous loop. Like if this is my array, okay, so if this is my array, and let me draw the array. If this is the array, and let's say we do the indexing here 0, 1, 2. So if my count 0, okay, let's say in that question in previous example it was 2, so I have to run a loop from 0 to 2 so that the values here present filled with 0. Now I'll start from the next index, which is 2, and I'll go to count 0 plus count 1, which will be 2 plus 2, and it will run to 4, 4, 4. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, it will run a loop from 2 to count 4, which less than gives here that it will run only 2 times. So here I will initialize it with 1 only. And now next is to run the loop from count of 0 plus count 1 to the end of my array. So this can be represented as nums dot size. Okay, so this is how we will solve this problem. And in this problem we have used a STLs. STL stands for Standard Template Library. These are the predefined functions or built-in library in C++, which allows us to make our code more easy to understand and easy to write also. There are many functions present in STL. One such function is unordered map, which stores the value in the form of key value pairs. Okay, so this is how we have solved this problem. Now let us try to run this problem and check whether our code is working properly or not. If it works, then we will submit this to test for other test cases also. So let us check here. Sort colors. Here I have written the same code which I have explained you. Now let us run this code. So this problem is tagged as medium, but I just feel like this is a very easy problem if you try to understand it. And you can also try to solve this problem with the help of another sorting algorithm, which is count sort, in which we just sort 0, 1, 2, and we use that algorithm to sort a array of 0, 1, 2 only. So we can use that also. Okay. Let's just submit this to test for the test cases also. So as you can see that the solution is 100% faster than other submissions online. Its runtime is 0 ms. So if you get this problem and understand the solution, try to solve it on LeetCode. You can search sort colors and you'll get this problem. And these kind of questions are frequently asked in interviews related to sorting. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting here. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.